a 4-year-old boy with asthma stops breathing and starts turning blue. So cops rush to the scene as the child's panicked mom prays for a miracle.
A little boy is choking, and cops know how to save him. One officer grabs a crucial piece of equipment, his LifeVac, the device that's become a godsend in many emergencies. The cop in Austin races over to where another officer is trying to revive the boy. The youngster's lips are turning blue. They lay him down and apply the LifeVac. His mom is frantic.
He has asthma. He has asthma.
You can feel the mom's anguish as the officers try again. This time, perfect. What a turnabout. In seconds, the little boy is alert and sitting up. He even gives a high five and a hug. 4-year-old William Romero was beaming when he and his mom appeared at a news conference with the hero cops. A happy ending to what could have been a very different story.
Oh, thank goodness. And by the way, Inside Edition was one of the first to demonstrate the LifeVac on TV. Since it aired, more than 90 viewers have reached out to us to say what they learned here helped them save a loved one.